Have you ever marveled at the sight of a massive bridge and wondered, how on earth did they build that? Today, we're going to introduce you to the world of bridge construction, breaking down the complex process into digestible steps. Stay tuned as we demystify the incredible process of bridge construction. First things first, every construction project begins with site preparation. This involves clearing and leveling the area where the bridge will be built. This crucial step ensures the stability and safety of the future bridge. Once the site is prepared, it's time to lay a solid foundation. Bridges stand tall and strong because of their foundations. Building these foundations or piers is a meticulous process, as they are pivotal in distributing the bridge's weight and the loads it carries. With a firm foundation in place, we're ready for the beams. Now comes an exciting part, the beam placement. These horizontal beams are the backbone of our bridge, striding confidently across the supports we've just constructed. Beams come in many forms, pre-stressed steel or composite, for instance, and the choice depends on the specifics of your bridge project. Each type plays a key role in the structural integrity of the bridge, bearing the load and distributing it evenly across the supports. Beams are in place. We're nearing the finish line now. It's time for the deck. Finally, we reach the deck installation phase, the part you actually drive or walk on. This process involves placing the bridge deck, typically made of materials like concrete or steel, onto the beams. These materials are selected for their strength and durability, capable of withstanding the daily wear and tear of traffic. The deck is securely fastened to the beams, ensuring a stable and safe platform for all who cross. And there you have it, a bridge from start to finish. Next time you cross one, you'll know exactly how it came to be.